We are going to use phone as webcam in OBS in two ways. First, through Wi-Fi. This will need internet. Second, through USB cable. This doesn't need internet to work. The only thing it will need is for you to enable an option called USB debugging. First step, download Arian Webcam, an application on both phone and computer. Okay, so we're gonna download the app on the phone. Come to Play Store, then search Arian Webcam and install it. Open it, do not show again, continue. Allow. Webcam for PC. Arian Webcam downloaded. Webcam for Windows, that's what we are going for. If you have Mac, download Mac version. So this is the file, let's open it. I accept. Number of cameras 1. Webcam, yeah, next install. Webcam is on and we have OBS here. This is laptop's camera, not so good. We will compare it with Arian Webcam, in other words our Android camera. Click on plus, video capture device, OK. Go on device, easy camera, change it to Arian Webcam. Looking for phone. Okay, we have the phone. Okay, here we have it. PC camera versus phone camera. Phone's camera's a lot good, and that's it, you're ready to go. But if you want it to work offline or save data, turn on USB debugging. Go to settings, go to your phone details, about phone in my case, tap on MIUI version or whatever your version of phone is. Okay, so now you're a developer, and if you don't have MI phone, search for your phone's model on YouTube and how to turn on developer option. Since I have enabled developer options, I'll go to additional setting, developer options, then I'll go to USB debugging and turn it on. Okay. There's a warning I should give you. USB debugging is not a safe option that you should keep it enabled because it can leave you vulnerable to hackers. Like in public places when you connect your phone to a USB cable for charging your phone, turn off USB debugging when you are done with it. You be the judge. USB versus Wi-Fi. Arian Webcam in OBS versus the actual camera video on your phone.